Hey everybody. So I'm pretty excited. I opened up this BIM and data science Discord channel. It's been here for some time. I think it was called the Revit bot before. I never really shared it out because I wanted to work on the Revit bot portion of it, which is just a bot that would essentially answer questions pertaining to Revit and stuff. I'm still working on that bot. It can receive questions, but it doesn't give any replies. So something I still need to figure out. But I wanted to open this up for anybody interested in BIM and data science, and data science being data analytics, machine learning, and everything in between. So I've created a couple channels on this server. One general, so just general stuff. BIM and data science. So if you just want to talk BIM and data science. Project help. So if you're working on a data science project with AEC stuff, maybe you're looking at models. You want to learn from that data. Maybe here you can ask some questions, maybe some do's and don'ts when it comes to trying to leverage that information, or just have an open conversation about that project. A machine learning one. This is machine learning news. So I spend a good amount of time every week just looking for just news or just machine learning updates. Mostly, pertaining to the AEC, but sometimes just general machine learning stuff. But I'm hoping to kind of share that information here, and then for anybody else to share that what they find. And then DS courses. I know a lot of the first questions I'll get sometimes is like, where do I learn all this? There's so much, and where do I begin? So I'm going to try to share some courses, and then hopefully some other folks can share their experiences and resources and different courses they may have used. So this is what I've got so far. I'm hoping that when I get this server rolling, that we get some other admins and other people involved with it, and kind of see where it goes from there. One cool update, and what I'll do is try to tie some of this Discord channel into my YouTube channel. So maybe doing some live streams with people, doing a Q&A type session, maybe some chats with other folks. But a cool update is that I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. That took a really long time. I'm not kidding. It took about 4 years to get that many subscribers. I'm not much motivated for subscribers. I more or less, have this channel for fun, but I was really excited for that. So if you want to subscribe, definitely, check out my channel. But I'll be doing some live streams that I'll probably share on YouTube, through Discord and stuff. But yeah, if you want to join, feel free to join. You'll find the link below in the description. So just click on that link, and it'll take you out here, and then you can join the Discord, and then we can start talking about BIM and data science and kind of see where that goes. But that's all I got. So I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching, guys. And subscribe if you want to see more, or jump on the Discord if you want to talk a little bit more about data science and BIM. See you in the next one, guys.